How to convert PDF to JPG on iPhone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube video. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily convert your PDF file to JPG on your iPhone. So first thing what you want to do is simply head over to any of your browser and simply search in for PDF to JPG and just click on the first website that pops up and just select PDF file from over here and select any of your PDF file. Click on open button over here, and as you can see, there's an option called convert to JPG. Just click on it and wait for some time for it to convert. And once it is successfully converted to JPG format, simply click on this download button, and once the screen pops up like this, simply click on download and again wait for some time. To view your download, simply click on this download button over here, and as you can see, your file is being downloaded. So once it's downloaded, you can view it as a JPG file successfully. So that is exactly how you can easily convert your PDF file to JPG format on your iPhone. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.